So after years of using Active Ear Pro 3 Peltors in specific, I decided to mix it up and try something different. I had a slight malfunction that I ended up resolving a little bit of on my Peltors, but you know, I'd seen these AXILs around, and the idea of having a Bluetooth connected headset that was also active and also able to take out 29 decibels of noise reduction was appealing. And so I'd heard that AXIL was actually the company that makes the same product as the Sig Sauer buds that recently came out that are, as I understand, the same exact product as this. These have a 25-hour hearing enhancement and protection runtime. They've got 120 hours of standby time. It's non-allergenic shells, and they've actually got pretty intuitive control sticks on both the left side and the right side. On the left-hand side, it's actually the... Let's see which one is which. I think the left side is the on and off with like hearing protection volume. And then on the right side, it's actually the Bluetooth. So that's the unique thing here. If you've ever had Peltors with AirPods or something comparable on at the range, just, you know, to run drills while you have some sort of music playing, it ends up, you know, really being uncomfortable on your ear. Enter the GS Extreme. So basically, you know, this is an over-the-ear headset. This was kind of what a lot of people were running with prior to AirPods. So if you can go back about 5 years, it's not going to be too much of a difference from how you've been doing things. One thing I really like is it's got an adjustable cord. This allows you to ride this up really close to your neck and really make use of the overarching earbuds. These earbuds are actually, they're called SPORTFIT ear hooks. And if you read a lot of the reviews, people are saying these don't work, these aren't sticking my ears, they're not blocking out the things. There's a few separate things we want to talk to. So this is the actual earbud, right? This is where the magic is happening. There's active noise reduction and loud decibels whenever you hear shots. And now, the moment I was waiting for. Enabling the Bluetooth. Being able to listen to music, answer phone calls, you know, anything that's Bluetooth necessary from the convenience of your ear pro, right? So no more uncomfortable earmuffs with the small stuff. You've got it directly in the ear. How is it going to work? Some of the reviews online were saying that, well, you know, it's not the greatest sound quality. And it's like, well... You know, while the audiophile at the range may have another solution, I don't know if Bose are actively, you know, with this level of decibel blocking. But I mean, ultimately, you know, we're rocking out to music while we're shooting, and it doesn't sound half bad. Again, comparable to anything that was out 5 years ago, superior to anything that was out 10 years ago, and beats the heck out of the Walkman. You need to make sure you treat these kind of like the foamies. If you've ever shot with the just typical foam earbuds, give them a little pinch and allow them to then expand. Hold them in place as they expand in your ear canal. It'll really make the difference and ultimately protect your hearing. I tried to wear them around as I was driving without the Bluetooth necessarily playing. A little bit with the playing and then a little bit with it off to test out the active mode. It does sound like it's coming through a microphone filter, but it is effective. And then lastly, after we ensured that good proper seal with the proper fitting ballistic choice, the small, medium, or large, we went ahead and gave it a test fire. I'm going to take this opportunity to remind everyone the importance of running those good immediate action drills. If you just saw there, we had, I don't know if it was a stopped round, what happened, but just straight up immediate action, tap, rack, bang type of thing, and right back in the fight.
Well, that was a sufficient amount of shooting to say that these things work.